Hey boo, so you see the thumbnail. My first collab happens to be with Unahubs, and we are going to be reviewing this Louis Vuitton inspired bag. Now, I have been wanting a Speedy real bad, and I still plan on getting a Speedy real bad, but right now it's just not something that I'm going to prioritize in my budget. So, in order for myself to manifest it and toy around with the look, I did decided to partner with Sunny over at Unahubs so that I could go ahead and get myself this beautiful bag. So, let's start out with the shipping as I unbox it. I ordered it on the 26th, I want to say, and it took roughly about 20 days because it is coming from China to come to me, but I had no problem with the tracking and things like that. It came in a nice sized bag and a nice authentic looking dust bag. So once I opened this dust bag, this beautiful bag came out. You could literally hear my 13-year-old who's standing next to me gasp when this bag came out. The quality is amazing. It does not have a synthetic smell. It has a beautiful leather smell. It is so soft yet stern, and it is not stiff. So I'm going to go ahead and compare it to my friend's Louis right here so that you can see the difference in the stitching and the zipper. The zipper is amazing. So inside of the bag, I ended up getting the straps, but I'm not a strap girl when I'm wearing a satchel type of bag, but it's nice to have them. I'll probably wear them when I travel a little bit more, but at this point, I'm not doing that. And then it came with this little wristlet that comes inside of the bag, which you will see later how I use it. I love the zipper. There is no catching or no hesitation. It goes. And look at this beautiful gold hardware, which really makes me happy. Oh my girl, I'm just so excited about this particular purchase. I feel like this bag goes with just about every single look that I have. I feel like it's me. I'm excited to see how this leather goes over time, if it'll age, and I get that beautiful rich dark brown. And yeah, so here is the interior of the bag. It looks small, but it holds quite a bit. So stay tuned to see what all is able to be held in this bag. And yeah, look at that zipper. It goes with ease, yet you can tell that it's sturdy. The monogram print on this bag is nice and crisp and clear. And y'all, I wore this bag. I'm on my 4th day wearing it, and I received compliments every single day I wore it. So let's get into what I put inside. Hey boo, I wanted to go over exactly what I had inside of this bag and what I was able to fit in here. I just want to give a special shout out to the hardware on this particular bag. I wore it and I got so many compliments. So let's just see what I was able to stuff inside of her, because she is a beautiful bag and I definitely feel like she will be getting a lot of wear from me. So first I charmed her out. Let's go inside of some of the charms. First, I got this little cute Hello Kitty charm. I got this one from AliExpress, but you can get that one from Amazon. I got these cherries from Amazon. They are a dupe of the Coach cherries, but these were only $7. I got this pocket back holder from the Valentine's Day collection at Bath & Body. And inside of here, I got the warm vanilla sugar moisturizing pocket bag. And I got this little pill container, and inside of here I got a couple of emergency medications. So this is how I charmed her, and let's see what I have inside of her, because she holds quite a bit. This is what she looks like, stuffed in no particular order. So first I have my little tech bag. This bag is a little dirty, but I got this from Target, and inside of here I have a portable charger, a charging cord, and my JLab headphones that I use just for talking on the phone. Next, I have this little bag. I got this from AliExpress, but I believe that it is available on Amazon. It says all the little things are happening in a in an orderly way. This is more like my smell good bag. I have an extra washcloth. I have some hand cream. This one is in Tutti Frutti Candy. I have an extra body wash in case there's no soap or I need to freshen up really quick. I have a fresh Vanilla Blossoms body spray, and I have Valentino Donna Born in Roma, and I have a mini of Wild Vanilla of Madagascar Vanilla by Nest. Next, I have a transaction register. I put everything that I spend inside of here. I'm old school, but I love it. I ordered this from Etsy, and it's this little strawberry shortcake handprint that someone handmade. Next, I have the little pouchette that it came with. Wonderful zipper, wonderful zipper. I just put a few cards in there. I'm not going to open it and show you, but yeah, look at the hardware. Look at the hardware. It's amazing. I have this tissue holder I got from Amazon. Inside it there's having tissue. My mom and my grandma taught me that a woman always has to have tissue in her purse, and it never fails me. I ended up using them all. Next, I got one of these caboodle kits that I got from Amazon. It comes with a smaller one, which I use as well. Inside of here, I just kind of put lip products. So I have 2 e.l.f. lip glosses, a chapstick from Sprouts, Laneige lip balm, some cuticle oil, some Carmex, and a lip oil from e.l.f. as well. I love to have things for my lips on deck in every purse that I wear. Next, I have this. This was actually a makeup brush holder, but none of my brushes fit in here. All of my brushes from MAC, so they're too tall, so I just use it for pens. So in case they bust, it's silicone, so they can bust inside of here. I have an extra Carmex in here as well, and a Sharpie. Next, I have an emergency hygiene bag, and this one is from Coach, but it is probably like 15 years old. So inside of here, I have some emergency. I have an EpiPen or an OBQ. I have some wipes, some of these little Summer's Eve wipes. I also have a couple Band-Aids. And I have some soft disc cups. I don't wear pads, so I do have disc cups because I wear cups. I have a toilet seat cover, more wipes, and some tissue, and an emergency goodie powder. This girl's pretty stuffed. Next, I have my purse Kindle. I am an avid reader. Most of y'all know that. So this particular Kindle is just for my purse, and I love it because it's a kid's Kindle Paperwhite, but it fits in just about every single bag. So it's just about the same size as this case. So this is my purse Kindle. Next, I have another caboodle case. These two came in a set. Inside of this one, I have some emergency meds. I got some goodie powder in here. I got some antibiotic ointment. I have Claritin. I have some Azio urinary tract pills. I have an onidestrin, which is for nausea. I have some sting relief for bee stings, Advil, BioFreeze, some flossers, Band-Aids, and an emergency. I keep these all in here mainly for my kids, but sometimes for myself because you have to be prepared. I got a protein bar in case my blood sugar gets low. a nail file, some Chub Rub. I got this as a sample from a race, and you will be surprised. I wear a lot of dresses how much Chub Rub I need. I got a little fidget just in case I start to feel anxious. I got some deodorant, whole body deodorant. And I have a room spray just in case you gotta go. You never know. I have some mints, but I also put my gum inside of here as well. And I have a little coin purse for flyaway coins. And yeah, that's it. This is everything that I was able to fit inside of my replica bag. Let me know what you think about the bag and give me any comments if you own any replica. The coupon code so that you can get this bag or other replicas are included in the comments. Love you, K. Bye. Thank you again to Sunny from Unahubs for collaborating with me for this beautiful bag. If you are interested in getting yourself one, here is a coupon code so that you can get a discount. Let them know that I sent you. Until the next video, love you, K. Bye.